Hey guys, welcome back to Casey Crawls. If you've watched my channel for any length of time, you know that I got rid of the Green Goblin. Yep, Ole Sarge. Traded her in on a black C300 Mercedes. I'll get into why later. Fact is, I no longer have a street Jeep, but I've got a plan. So stick around. I'll show you what that plan is in just a minute. I think you've seen the 82 CJ7. That's my plan. So you saw me refurb the winch that's gonna hang on the front of this joker. Now you're gonna see me start working on the 82. I need to come up with a cool name. I don't know what it would be. Put in the comments what you think I should name the 82 CJ. The family knows it as the white Jeep. So we're gonna get busy today cleaning this thing up, and hopefully we'll have it back on the road sometime this year. I don't know. All right, guys, this is the 82 CJ7. What are we gonna try and get accomplished today? I'd like to focus on the firewall. It looks really nasty, and that's just some of the detail stuff. You get the firewall cleaned up and it looks really good. So I'm going to work on that. I got to get the brakes out of here, some of these cables and wires, all this wiring harness and all this garbage. Get a grinder with a wire cup and get this cleaned up. So I'm going to get prepared, and we're going to get busy getting the 82 CJ7 squared away. Oh, it needs a name. So I got Raggedy Red, I had Ole Sarge / the Green Goblin, the white Jeep. What's the white Jeep gonna be called? I don't know, you let me know, put it in the comments or something. So a little something kind of intriguing about this Jeep. Again, it's an 82 Jeep CJ7. So it's traded hands a number of times. I've had it maybe 11 or 12 years now. It was super clean when I bought it. Well, it wasn't when I bought it, but shortly thereafter I put it back together, and it was a super clean Jeep. Not so much anymore. But a neat story. I found the one of the ads selling this Jeep. Y'all remember Pirate 4x4? It was on Pirate 4x4, and I thought it would be cool to reach out to the previous owner and just let him know where the Jeep ended up and what I was doing to it. It was kind of cool. Well, he told me a really neat story. I'm not into wrestling. I've never been into wrestling or MMA or any of that other stuff, but I am an 80s kid. And there was a wrestler named Sting. Never kept up with this guy, but am told that he bought this Jeep brand new, and I think it was purchased in Atlanta. I don't know how you verify that, but if that's true, I thought it was a really neat story. I didn't know who Sting was, never heard of the guy, so I got on the interwebs and searched for him, and lo and behold, the guy's kind of a big name dude. So if he did buy this brand new from Atlanta, it's got kind of a neat history, and hopefully one day this thing will be put back on the road and it'll be just as clean as it was when it was new. So there you have it. I thought I'd share that story. It's kind of cool. All right, so I'm tired of grinding on the firewall. I've got some more to do on that, and every time I get the grinder on it with the wire wheel, I find more stuff that I probably need to do. So I turned my attention to the bumper, and I'm gonna try and pull this bumper off. I just about got it. Maybe. I have been grinding on this firewall forever. I need to do the middle part, and then underneath it just, I don't know, probably need to pull it out and just power wash the underneath. All right guys, so I got the steering all taken out. So that's one more thing to mark off the list, and man, it's nasty. It's got a really nice steering system. I've got a PSC box and a PSC hydraulic assist. So I got this all pulled off. I'm gonna clean that up. I think before I get to cleaning that up, I'm gonna take these shocks off, take the steering shaft out, and then I've got to cut the old motor mounts off. That's for a small block Chevrolet. So I got to take these shocks off, and once I pulled them off, man, they're showing their age. The bushings came out and just crumbled as I pulled them out. These things I had on my on Raggedy Red years ago, and I moved them over. They were a perfect fit for the front of the white Jeep. Also pulled off the steering shaft, so I got to clean that thing up. There's a U-joint that's going out. It's a little bit tight. Fix that and we should be in good shape. But making a little bit of headway on this project. All right guys, so now it's time to start cutting. I got to get this this cutting torch set up, and we're going to cut these old motor mounts off. And hopefully I can remember how to do this. It's been a minute. All right, acetylene. So it's been a minute since I've done this. That's pretty nasty stuff. One more to go. All right guys, so I got the steering out. Y'all saw that earlier. I've been grinding and grinding and grinding, and my back is killing me. It's 4:30 on Saturday. I probably have a little bit more time out here, but I think I'm gonna call it quits. Hey guys, I appreciate you watching. That's it for this episode. Stay tuned, there's more to come. I got a lot more work, and I'm gonna see you in the shop. Thanks.